He's gonna come here and he's gonna slap
No, he
your car
mustn't.
here.
He mustn't.
Your
But
car
I wouldn't be surprised if he did though.
Virgo Paints in Blue Downs, he sponsored the paint for your car. Your rear handbrake will be sponsored by Joe's Motor Spares.
Nice.
What's up guys, I'm about to go to the Raceweb Dyno day and I'm going to meet my car again. You guys remember Sieraaj, right? No man, yes that is him, but this guy.
In the practice lap, the sideways comes late. Yeah, the scouting lap, I could actually feel.
Working on my car for about 2 weeks now and I haven't even seen the car yet, and he's taken it to the dyno day to test the changes that he made, and I have to go see the car for the first time after so many weeks tonight. They wouldn't show me pictures, all they sent me was this.
The state of your car at the moment. Look at that! Wow!
So let's go to the Raceweb Dyno day and go meet our car again.
This is we need to do what we need to do. Okay, some what is known as plastic welding. I'm not Shane, what is this you're doing?
Putting makeup on Frankenstein.
Okay, cool.
Franken bumper.
Okay, so that's what it looks like before the makeup. Yeah, okay. I will introduce you to the guy who we scullied some of the parts on. This is Spiker. Dankie Spiker man. That is obviously Jean O'Deer. I don't know if you guys know this, Madrid. And this here, this is Leon. This is Leon. Say hallo vir die mense man. Daar sy. En wat doen hy E36?
I ref.
Daar sy.
A bro from Gearbox sold us a legit M3 branch and exhaust.
Okay, so in order to get the M3 branches in the engine bay as we have it now, your steering column, your track used to come down from there to the steering there. We had to remove that engine mounting bracket on this side. We had to take it out of the mounting and the mounting bracket off on that side also. Then also gearbox mountings and stuff had to come loose in order for us to shift the motor enough over to get the branch in. But the branch is there. So now we'll get everything back together and then see how the puzzle fits together.
Sieraaj also replaced all 4 shocks in the car and set it up for rallycross.
Okay, so that hole there is where the gear shifter used to be. The old original one, which looks something like this. That is the old original one. And now we're getting ready to fit this. Ooh!
So excited!
So it has these bolts in here. So that basically goes at the bottom like that. And it sandwiches the two together. So the bushing there was tight. So I just reamed it slightly to make it work for the adjuster that's on the gear shifter. And that's on here, then it should go. Then it's good to go. So that is what the finished product looks like. And yeah, it is very short. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. Very, very short. There is adjustment, and we had to shorten the rod by 20 mils in order to get the lever to sit in the center.
Next was assembly and fitting the M3 exhaust, and because the exhaust was from a 2-door, it wasn't a direct fit. These are some of the problems you run into with a project car. Because the car stood for so long, it had plenty scratches, bumps and surface rust. The guys sorted all of that out and prepped the car for spraying. Remember, They were just supposed to fix a couple of rust spots. Thanks to Virgo Paint and Abrasives, who supplied us with my favorite shade of white, Alpine White, the car was starting to take shape. With the spray job done and the engine parts assembled, it was time for the dyno.
A little bit maybe, because just a few minutes ago the car was in pieces by Ashiq and NK. Long story short, we found the leak, stripped everything out, put it back together again. I'm hoping it's going to hold together. If not, we'll see.
Drop power. Again, it's dropped more power. 149. What is it? The last time it was 151 and 267. And Ashiq says your ECU is still learning. Yeah, he would say that. He would say that.
How can you recommend on the computer box, bro?
That's how we roll. How's it?
Now, I guess, it's on.
So the last time we had the intake on and all the mods, then it made 157.
How much is it now?
It's now stock standard 146. Just all more than the
stock.
Yeah.
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
So what is this 1800 8 valve? 80 kilowatts on the fly.
Carburetor.
Oh shit. Okay, 20 valve turbocharged, 300 plus kilowatts. You did Saldana the other day, eh?
Yeah, we did Saldana Saturday with a massive headwind. We got 226 out of it.
And you beat the bike as well, eh?
Yeah.
I saw that video, by the way. Okay, you're gonna put in the dyno?
Yeah, we just here for fun, see what it makes.
Yo, you guys seem happy?
Fantastic.
It's his car. He built it.
Are you happy?
Yeah, self-built, self-tuned.
Nice.
That's pretty epic. I'm happy.
I saw you guys rocking the laptop over there.
Yeah, like I said, we needed to make sure that the motor is like hopefully going to not grenade itself. Look quite good. So really pleased. Still brake like, well, not let's say, but
Shane, but
some light tunes.
I know these guys, they can be blessed, they can be a little temperamental, but she's doing fine now, eh?
Look, oh,
Look, motherfucker.
from buying Ford to rebuilding within a month and a half.
Wait, just get this quickly. Just get this ticket here. You were saying? Before I almost got knocked over.
I know, good. It came from buying it was forged, to having to rebuild it within Probably a 6-day period.
That's a Musa turbo though. What is that?
It's a Pulsar Gen 2 GTX 3076, similar to Garrett. It's also ball bearing.
Nice. Yeah, you motherfucker.
Good.
How's it?
Yeah, it was training.
Yes, sir. Like as a daily?
So it's dark and we're still waiting for Sieraaj. I don't even know. I don't know.
Fashionably late.
Fashionably late. Do I even have a car still?
I'm sure you got a call.
Is that him?
No. He's coming from the side.
I don't know. You guys told me. I don't know what's happening tonight
is this?
even.
He's gonna come here and this, and he's gonna slap
No, he
your car,
mustn't.
yeah.
He
He's gonna
mustn't.
slap your
But
car.
I wouldn't be surprised if he did though.
Well, I hope he does. I need to get my camera out. Come, we go stand there, Emil, then he's gonna do it.
No! God, please, no! No!
Don't encourage him.
I'm gonna.
I'm not telling you.
No, sir.
You must spin it.
That's my.
Don't encourage him. What vibe?
Like, you know when they go to. That's the vibe of the spinning.
Don't encourage him, guys.
Sounds like an M3.
Sounds like an M3, baby. M3, baby.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Bubbles.
You said we go I don't even want to film, I just want to look.
Yeah.
Yo, this thing's white, bro.
This bumper?
White beatings, bro. White beatings. White beatings. I don't even, I want to stop filming so I can look. So you got the white beatings going on?
Yes, you have white beadings, you have the black grills. The dent there,
Yeah.
this section here had dents around there. There was a dent there also.
You guys fix all that?
Yes, here at the bottom was a dent there. And this was a section there. That dude on the track hit you. Remember?
What dude? I blocked it out.
Yeah, I also can't remember. But I thought, let me put a plaster on it. You know what I'm saying? Because it's the wound that healed. So with the red accents, it's going to look.
That's gonna look mad. That's gonna look mad.
Okay, so I've incorporated one of my sponsors that sponsored my paint. Virgo Paints in Blue Downs, he sponsored the paint for your car. Yeah, you know, and then also your rear handbrake setup, new discs, and new shoes and new cables will be sponsored by Joe's Motor Spares.
Nice. Thank you,
So,
Joe's
yeah.
Motor Spares.
Yes. And,
Thanks, guys.
and
Appreciate it.
Virgo Paints.
Thank you, guys.
Working together to keep you going.
V64, they put your kop on with your motor.
just towed the car here, so that's what's going to happen. I sprayed the car without me knowing.
Although the car still has a long way to go and it wasn't making the power figures we wanted, it is steadily improving. Now it's back to the speed shop for trim, and next week we fit a new racing seat with our friends at Fury Motorsport.
Okay, so this bright seat is coming out now. Yeah. I'm supposed to be being filmed whilst doing this, but I'm filming you do this.
You have a full team now.